Welcome to Personal Web Tutor. Today we got this problem. We're going to work on vectors, physics. And it says a mouse is trying to get away from a hawk. So it runs 5 meters east, it darts southeast for 3 meters, and then drops 1 meter straight down in a hole. What is the magnitude of its displacement? So first things first, we've got this mouse. Draw a little mouse here, little tail, and it's coming from this hawk is chasing it, and it runs 5 meters east, and then it runs 3 meters southeast, and then it drops straight down for 1 meter. So this angle here, if I were to extend it, this theta would be equal to 45 degrees. And this, of course, is 180 degrees down right here. So this angle is 90 right here. The easiest thing to do is to write these different tracks here in component form. So this one's easy and this one's easy. Let's do those real quick. For this one right here, it's going to the right 5 meters, so that would be a component in the x positive 5, 0. And then this one here would be in the x 0 and the y negative 1. When I say x and y, I mean this is my x direction, and if we were to have, say, this, or this over here, say, was the origin, let's see, then the direction, this would be positive and this would be negative. So we're going positive x, negative y, and this one here we have to work out. So let's zoom in on that one. That one looks just like this. And we know that this is 45 degrees. And we know that this is 3. So we know that the sine of 45 degrees, we'll call this our x direction and our y direction, is equal to y over 3. Or y equals 3 sine of 45. And the same thing as the cosine of 45 degrees is equal to x over 3, or x is equal to 3 cosine 45 degrees. This means these values here are both equal to 2.12 approximately. Therefore, if we go back, the components of this one right here are 2.12, and then y is negative 2.12. So now what we want to do is we want to take these components and add them. And I just like to, we got 5, 0, 2.12 minus 2.12, and then we got 0 and minus 1. So altogether we get 7.12 minus 3.12. So those are our x and y directions. So if we have our coordinate plane here, we go over 7.12 and we went down 3.12, and we want to find this. Easy enough. All we do, since this is a right triangle, is we use a squared plus b squared equals c squared, where this is a, this is b, and that's c. It's the Pythagorean theorem. So we write that out. We get 7.12, and that's meters quantity squared, plus 3.12 meters quantity squared is equal to c squared. And take the square root of both sides, and we get c is equal to 7.77 meters. And there you have it. If you've got any questions about this problem or any other physics problem, please feel free to go to our website at personalwebtutor.com. Here you can see that we've got an Ask a Question link up at the top, right there. And you can go ahead and click on that. And you'll be able to enter in your information and, as you see, put in your question. And you never know, maybe your question will be in my next video. Thank you.